How to compare and to buy online insurance by Shopnil Javan. At the point when it's the ideal opportunity for recharging of your car insurance, numerous things are going in your mind, like whether to remain with and get it reestablished from a similar insurer, or compare car insurance designs of different companies and check whether you could show signs of improvement. Bargain. Indeed, it won't do you any damage on the off chance that you look around a bit and welcome statements from different companies. Contrasting might be to support you as you can foresee premium from your current safety net provider by demonstrating the statements got from the market. In the event that you choose to remain with that company, then again it might enable you to change to a superior arrangement of an alternate company. Basically, don't reestablish your policy before contrasting. Investigate your options. It isn't required to proceed with a similar backup plan, except if you have some add-ons in your policy which express that the benefit can be profited just on the off chance that you remain with your present safety net provider. Presently, how about we confront on what premise you should compare car insurance designs. Compare for premium. A standout amongst the most evident reasons to compare insurance design is to get a decent arrangement with the least expensive premium accessible in the market. Compare online on insurance aggregator sites to get free of cost unprejudiced. Compare online on insurance aggregator sites to get free of cost unprejudiced correlation at a solitary web area. Along these lines, in an exceptionally improved manner, you can get different car insurance statements to compare on a solitary site. Most noteworthy IDV, particularly if there should arise an occurrence of top of the line cars, the proprietors need to get the most elevated IDV. Protected announced stream IDV is the most noteworthy stream recoverable from the insurance company in the event of aggregate misfortune. At the point when your car is costly or must go for the company offering the most noteworthy IDV. Least IDV. Much the same as most noteworthy IDV companies have a top of list IDV too. At the point when your car is old and to spare upon premium is your essential goal. In such case, search for backup plans consisting to guarantee your car at the base IDV as premium increment with the bring up in IDV. You have to compare anticipates the premise of the least IDV a company will guarantee your car at when looking insurance for an old or modest car. Maximum cashless facility carport. Much the same as health insurance portion. Cashless claim facility is picking up energy in the car insurance space. Guarantors brag of the quality of their tie-ups with the various engine carports wherein you can send your car for repairs and not pay forthright. When looking at based on arrange quality guarantee, that the carports close to your region frames some portion of the system. It is of no utilization to you if their system carports are situated at far off spots. Free add-ons. A few companies connect some free add-ons to improve the quality of their car insurance policies. Careful statistical surveying would tell you about the companies offering such plans. For reference, experience the accompanying table to compare the accessible add-ons in the India Car Insurance Showcase. Maximum add-ons. Not all car insurance companies give all the add-ons appearing in the rundown above. Go for companies that are putting forth you your required add-ons and at sensible rates. Compare premiums in the wake of joining the add-ons to perceive how much additional you wind up paying and assess the added cost against the benefits anticipated that would be gotten from such add-ons. Travel tips for driving in Mexico. Some take weekend RV trips into Mexico and have a great time, while others are going for the Mexican culture. Touring as well as shopping, after all, it's so much fun to bargain. At the border with the street vendors. Rosarito Beach is known for its scrumptious lobster at a great price. Many people travel across the border daily for prescriptions, dental care, and for the medical purposes. Some cross the border to conduct business. It's not just Southern Californians who enjoy going across the border. Many people from the border cities of Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas also take daily or weekend trips into Mexico. However, did you know it is suggested that you always obtain Mexican automobile insurance prior to crossing the border? Mexican law requires that drivers from out their country must be financially liable for any physical damage or bodily injury that they might cause. Mexican authorities do not recognize American or Canadian issued auto insurance as valid. Regardless, that the American policy has Mexican coverage. If you involved in a motor vehicle accident in Mexico, it is likely that you will be detained until the local authorities can determine who is at fault. Even if you are not at fault, under Mexican law, motorists are required to have Mexican auto insurance, or officials will want proof of financial responsibility and will expect you to post a bond to cover estimated cost before you will be released. You could end up without a way to recover damages unless you have purchased your own policy. Financial responsibility can be demonstrated either by possession of cash, approximately $5,000 to $10,000, or by possession of Mexican auto insurance through an authorized company. If you are at fault in an accident, you will likely be detained by the policy until they have determined you can make payment to the other party. Driving tips in Mexico. Be sure to have your car serviced prior to leaving on your trip. Drive slowly and cautiously in Mexico, as driving conditions often are much different in the US or Canada. Know your route for safety by stopping by the Mexican tourism office or travel clubs. Never drive your vehicle while under the influence of alcohol. Getting into an accident would be bad enough. Don't let it ruin your vacation travel plans by not having the proper coverage. It's not worth the risk and consequences to not purchase a policy before you go to Mexico. Fortunately, it is inexpensive and easy to get a Mexican car insurance policy. Prior to traveling to Mexico, travelers should make their own inquiries into Mexican law. This article does not include all available information regarding traveling in Mexico. For information on Mexico automobile insurance prior to traveling to Mexico, go to http www.morsrussian.com or contact us at Mors Russian Insurance Agency at 760-564-3888, license #0M26924.